Hey guys, Wilhelm here with Cowden Creek Realty and the Wilhelm and McCune team. We're here today to introduce to you guys our new listing at 232 South Mathilda Street, which is located in a vibrant neighborhood in the heart of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Friendship Park. What's up everyone? Come on in. So on this floor we have a complete open concept. We have not one, but two fireplaces. Take you over this way to our custom kitchen, which is fully equipped with a white subway tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting throughout, quartz countertops. And over this way, we have our custom kitchen pantry cabinets. Take you guys over to the brand new deck. So off of the kitchen, we have our deck, which is perfect for entertaining guests or just coming out here to enjoy the city vibe. So one of the most rare features about this house is the off-street parking. So we have two concrete off-street parking spaces here and a walkway to get up to the deck in the back of the house. So whether you're coming home from work or you have guests over, you don't have to worry about dealing with the street. So one of my favorite rooms in the house is actually this little powder room here. It just has that Pittsburgh city feel to it with the exposed brick that we left during the renovation. All right, let's check out upstairs. All right, so on the second floor, we have a completely remodeled bathroom. We have second floor laundry, and there's two bedrooms on this floor as well. So this is one of the bedrooms on the second floor. It offers a really nice size and a lot of natural light with the three larger windows that we have. This bathroom offers ceramic surfaces on the walls and the floors. We have a custom vanity with marble tops, and we have the shower with a soaking tub here. This is our second bedroom. We have more character that's offered in this room with the solid wood closet doors. So the laundry room comes with a higher end LG stackable washer and dryer, and we have a utility sink as well. So we'll retreat up to the third floor where the master bedroom is. On your way up, you'll see more exposed brick. So before we get to the master bedroom, you have to check out this master bathroom. This bathroom is unbelievable. It has everything that the other bathroom has to offer, as they're both high end, but instead of a soaking tub, we have a stand-up shower here. And it also comes with a handheld and 3 Delta body sprayers. So we'll take you over to the master bedroom here. One of my favorite features about this room is the spotlighting that's offered. We also have more exposed brick on both sides of the room. And then over this way, we're going to introduce you to this gigantic walk-in closet. All right guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. If you liked this first episode, feel free to like, comment, and share this video with your family and friends. We're gonna have a lot more of these coming up soon, so we'll see you next time.